I've been finding myself in the South Lamar area of Austin pretty frequently, so I figured I could give you a glimpse of what it looks like, including the major spots around here where you could find live music. Today, Lamar Boulevard runs from South Austin through North Austin, and there are a number of interesting stores and storefronts that you could find all along the road. The south part of Lamar Boulevard is simply called South Lamar, and the name itself evokes more than just a boulevard. It's more like a neighborhood. And it's somewhat of a hyped up and popular strip that's often a destination for folks looking for entertainment or drinks or nice dining or a nice place to live that's in the mix of an eclectic and hype up area of Austin. South Lamar originally attracted a lot of interesting Austin folks, including artists and musicians, due to its easy access to downtown music venues. And there was a big construction boom in the late 1990s and early 2000s, and today you could still find large apartments and condos being built all along South Lamar. In addition to the modern apartment complexes, there are also a mix of renovated 1960s homes and fancy new homes and accessory dwelling units interspersed throughout the neighborhood around here. So the housing is a mix of old Austin and new Austin, and that's what Lamar represents just driving through or walking around. Where you can find nice dining and drinks, as well as places for self-care and wellness, as well as eclectic shopping at places that have unique items like antiques and repurposed or hand-me-down clothes and things like that. So today, it's a bustling cultural strip. Many locals complain about the traffic, and rightfully so. There's multiple lanes of traffic moving fast, which makes walking around and navigating and parking in this area somewhat difficult. The footage I've been showing is from a little strip that's actually pretty walkable, but the fast cars that move along the road don't necessarily make it feel relaxing. In terms of dining, I was given a gift card to this place called Odd Duck, which is a really popular restaurant. It's a good date night spot, and you're supposed to order 4 items from the menu, and the items can add up and fill up a $100 gift card pretty quickly, but the food is really good. In terms of live music, one notable spot within walking distance of the area is the Highball, located right next to Alamo Draft House. They've been having a few country bands playing on Thursdays with a lot of dancers showing up, and this is what it looks like when Page Plaisance was playing. One of the famous venues in Austin is the Saxon Pub, and that's also walking distance around here. They're known for having songwriters and intimate performers, but they'll also have some pretty fun bands play. And on this night, Mule Ears were playing. Another really popular spot here, a really great songwriter venue with tickets and seating and silent audiences, is the 04 Center, located in a church. I finally had a chance to check out this place when Steve Poltz was playing.
I want all my friends to know laughter, uncontrollable from deep in the gut. I want all my friends to have fine shoes and to pat someone cute on the butt.
So that's a look at the South Lamar area of Austin. I post all about the music scene of Austin and the towns and neighborhoods all around Texas and the music scene around Texas. So you can check out those videos that pop up here if you want to learn more about that, or you could click on my channel and check out those thumbnails and see which of those topics are interesting to you. Give those videos a view, and thank you for giving this video a view.